Good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fine. In the last video, I made a video in which use of negative exponents were there. Now, I have taken some different type of questions which will build up your concept. ये आपके concept को और grow up करेगा. ठीक है? So note down the first question. This is simplify. So at first, you break up the exponents. And this is 6 here, here is 6, here is 10, here is 15. So 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. And 15 is equal to 3 into 5. So we will break up these three into this simplest factor. Okay? So at first you start, and here 2 to the power m into 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2m 3 to the power minus m into 5 to the power m into 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 2. And 2 into 3 to the power n. Here also 2 into 3 whole to the power m into 2 into 5 whole to the power n plus 2 into 3 into 5 to the power m. Now a into b to the power n is equal to a to the power n. This rule, all of you know this. So we will use this rule here because this is a and this is b. It means these two are different, a and b. Now 2 to the power m into 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2m into 3 to the power minus n into 5 to the power m into 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 2 into 2 to the power n into 3 to the power n whole divided by, and again write it separately like this, 2 to the power n into 3 to the power n, a to the power n into b to the power n. Similarly, all these it will be written like this. So it will become 2 to the power n into 3 to the power m into 2 to the power n plus 2 into 5 to the power n plus 2 into 3 to the power m into 5 to the power m. And now again this will be split, and finally we will get 2 to the power m into 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2m into 3 to the power minus n into 5 to the power m into 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 2 into divided by, now it will remain as it is, 2 to the power m into 3 to the power m into, now this will be again it will be split up. So 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2, and this one also into 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 2, and into 3 to the power n into 5 to the power m. Now cancel all the terms. 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n. It is 3 to the power m, and here it is 3 to the power m, which will give you 3 to the power m plus m, and which will make you 3 to the power 2m. So also you can increase one more step. So it will, then 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 cancel, 2 to the power n with 2 to the power n, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power m, 5 to the power m, and again one more step. One more term is there which can be cancelled, 5 to the power m, and again it will be 3 to the power 2m into 3 to the power minus n into 3 to the power n divided by 3 to the power m plus n, which will give you 3 to the power 2m. So 3 to the power 2m and 3 to the power 2m. This 3 to the power 2m cancel, and here 3 to the power minus n plus n, 3 to the power 0 is equal to please note down. और एक क्वेश्चन लेते हैं हम लोग. If 4 to the power m into 2 to the power 2m minus n into 2 to the power minus m by 3 raised to power minus 3 whole divided by 2 to the power 3m minus 1 is equal to 1 by 4, then prove that 2m minus n plus 3 is equal to 0. This question is entirely different from the other question. So one question I am giving this type so that it will build up your concept. तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? At first make the base same. So here is 4, so make it 2 square. Here is also 4, make it 2 square. So 2 square to the power m into 2 to the power 2m minus n into, and here this will be multiplied, a to the power m whole to the power n. It becomes a to the power mn using this law. So this will give you 2 to the power minus m by 3 into minus 3 whole divided by 2 to the power 3m minus 1 is equal to is equal to 1 by 2 square. So this is the first step. Now 2 to the power, this is multiplied, 2m into 2 to the power 2m minus n into this 3 gets cancelled, and this minus 1 into minus n. It will give you 2 to the power m, and this is cross multiply, so into 2 square divided by 2 to the power 3m minus 1. Up to here, note down. Is equal to 1. Now break this power. So 2 to the power 2m into 2 to the power 2m into 2 to the power minus n into 2 to the power m into 2 square divided by 2 to the power 3m into 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1. Now this 2 to the power 2m and this 2 to the power m. So 2 to the power 2m into 2 to the power 2m plus m into 2 to the power minus n into 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 3m, and this is 2 to the power minus 1, this will go up, so into 2, this is equal to 1. Now this is 2m plus m, so this will become 2 to the power 3m, so this will get cancelled, and here base is same everywhere, so add the power. Here power is 1, so we can add all the powers. So 2 to the power 2m minus m plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 1. So 2 to the power 2m minus 3 minus n plus 3 is equal to 1. Now this is 2, base is 2 and this is 1. So we can write it 2 to the power 0. So 2 to the power 2m minus n plus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 0. Now base is same, so we equalize the power. So this implies 2m minus n plus 3 is equal to 0. वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कमेंट भी कीजिए. थैंक यू.